And now while coming to the present content of the video, here I am going to show you the total 100 number of vacancies, and all these are work from home jobs, so that you can able to do this job from the home itself. And the sector is IT and communication. The salary is 15,000 to 20,000 monthly, and the number of openings are 100, and it is posted on 30th July 2020. And the company name is given here, Apna Job Hiring Solution Private Limited. And coming to the job description, customer support representative, work from home, and the salary is 720 rupees per day for 8 hours. Okay, and 6 days working. Qualification is graduate or PG or MBA. Only passed out candidates are eligible. Communication skills required are excellent communication skills in English and Hindi. And a round of interviews, 2 rounds of interview will be there, the telephonic joining. So the candidates immediately will be joined to have the laptop, internet connection, and good Android mobile, and the flexible working hours after approval of team lead manager in advance. Right. So minimum qualification required is, as I told previously, the graduate or PG or MBA, and the job location is all India. The nature of job is full time or work from home. The last date to apply this one is the 15th August 2020, and the number of openings are 100. So the key skills are BPO, work from home, and coming to the age preference is 20 to 30 years as on 15th July 2020, and the date of birth preference is also given. So if you're having any queries regarding this job, then the contact person name and the contact number is also given, and the email ID is also given here. Fine. So the complete details are provided here, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So utilize this opportunity in this lockdown period, so it will be very much beneficial to you. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and subscribe the channel for more notifications like this to get to your mobile. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course, and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests, and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan.